Hi, welcome to Hawkinsite's Garage. Here is my unfinished project. I took this bike apart and it sat in the garage, the shed, the basement, the yard. Well, today's the day we're going to put it back together and ride it. So the reason this is an unfinished project is I wanted to increase the throw on the crankshaft to make it more comfortable for me to ride. So I've bought parts for this thing. Well, let's put the sprocket back on the crankshaft and secure it with the race. Alright, we'll put this up in the stand. Need to grease the lower bracket bearing cups. We will install the crank. Next, let's get the rear tire put back on. We'll need to put some penetrating oil on the chain and let it soak. After soaking the chain, use needle nose pliers to check the links are free. One of the links is still stuck after soaking in the penetrating fluid. Going to apply heat with a MAP gas torch. Time to install the chain. Straighten the handlebars. Install the seat. Wow, we are getting close. Apply lubricant to the chain. Now we can air the tires up. Nothing left but to take it out of the stand. This is the moment that took me 5 years. The bike is back and the new crank fixed the original issue. What a great success of a project. Many more successful project completions coming up.